If your LG refrigerator is displaying the error code IF, EIF, or what may look like 1F on the digital display, the appliance has detected a problem with the ice maker fan. This fan moves cold air from the freezer toward the ice making compartment. When it cannot rotate normally, ice production may slow down or stop completely. Depending on the refrigerator model, the ice compartment may also become too warm. The IF code does not normally mean that the ice maker mechanism itself has failed. It specifically points to the fan or to the refrigerator's inability to detect the fan operating correctly. One of the most common causes is frost or ice surrounding the fan. Moisture can enter the refrigerator when a door is left open, does not close completely, or has a damaged gasket. Over time, that moisture freezes around the fan blades and prevents them from turning. You may hear buzzing, scraping, rattling, or grinding before the code appears. A fan blade striking ice can make a repetitive helicopter-like noise. A worn fan motor can produce a very similar sound, so noise alone does not confirm which component is responsible. Begin with a power reset. Unplug the refrigerator from the electrical outlet or switch off its dedicated circuit breaker. Wait for approximately 5 minutes, then restore the power. If the code disappears, monitor the refrigerator carefully. A reset may clear a temporary electronic fault, but it will not remove heavy ice or repair a damaged fan motor. Check that the freezer and refrigerator doors close completely. Move food packages away from the door and make sure nothing is preventing the drawers from returning to their correct positions. Clean the door gaskets with warm water and a soft cloth. Inspect them for tears, gaps, hardened sections, or areas that have pulled away from the cabinet. Also, make sure the internal air vents are not blocked by food. If frost is preventing the ice fan from rotating, the refrigerator may need to be manually defrosted. Remove the food and ice from the appliance and store everything safely in another refrigerator, freezer, or insulated cooler. Disconnect the refrigerator from power, leave the doors open, and place towels around the appliance to collect the melting water. LG recommends allowing at least 8 hours for a manual defrost. Heavy ice buildup may require longer. Do not use a knife, screwdriver, heat gun, hairdryer, or boiling water to remove the ice. Sharp tools can puncture the evaporator or damage wiring, while concentrated heat can deform plastic components. Once the ice is melted, dry the interior and reconnect the refrigerator. It may take between 24 and 48 hours for temperatures and ice production to return to normal. If the IF code disappears after defrosting, but returns several days later, the refrigerator may have an air leak or a defrost system problem. Possible causes include a damaged door gasket, poor door alignment, a blocked drain, a defective defrost heater, a failed sensor, or an electronic control problem. The ice maker fan motor itself may also be defective. A failing motor may grind, rotate slowly, stop intermittently, or fail to send the correct speed signal to the control board. In one reported case, an LG refrigerator began making a helicopter-like noise and later displayed the IF error. Defrosting did not provide a permanent solution, but replacing the ice fan motor corrected the fault. This is a possible repair, but it should not be treated as the answer in every case. If the water dispenser has also stopped working, check it separately. Make sure the water supply valve is open, the hose is not kinked, the control lock is disabled, and the water filter is correctly installed. The IF code primarily concerns the ice fan and does not automatically prove that the water valve or dispenser has failed. Replacing the fan may require removing freezer drawers, the ice maker assembly, internal panels, electrical connectors, and the rear air duct section. The exact procedure varies significantly between models. Always disconnect the refrigerator from power before removing internal components. Work carefully around wiring, sensors, sharp metal edges, and refrigerant tubing. Unless you have the service information for your exact model and suitable repair experience, arrange professional service rather than dismantling the freezer compartment. To summarize, the LG IF error means that the ice maker fan is not operating normally. Reset the refrigerator, inspect the doors and gaskets, clear blocked vents, and allow any frost to melt naturally. If the error returns after a complete defrost, the fan motor, wiring, defrost system, or control board may require professional diagnosis.